Hi, is your highlighter game strong? Of late, I'm obsessed with the Bella Pear Shimmer Roll in Champagne. I got this in my Look Fantastic beauty box. It is a sort of universal shade. It's a highlighter, of course. I first thought it was going to be too pale for me, but it isn't. Now, what is unique about this highlighter is that it is a roll-on highlighter. You see that? Now, this is so convenient. You don't need to hunt around for a brush to apply it. You can just roll it on and either blend out with your fingertips or use a brush. Now, I'm going to be demoing this with the Real Techniques contour brush. Now, I love that this gives me a champagne gold-based glow rather than a silvery one, which isn't going to suit my skin tone. That's what I meant when I said it is a universal shade. This is versatile. You can apply it on your body, on the inner corners of your eyes, and on your cheekbones and face. Now, nor does it accentuate acne, acne scars, pores, and so on. I've got all of the above, so I ought to know. Which is your favorite highlighter? I'd love to know. Do tell me in the comment box below. Would you consider buying something like a roll-on product, or are you someone who prefers a brush and a powder type highlighter? Or do you like cream or liquid highlighters? Do tell me. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and please do give me a like. Till next time, bye.